In this video, I want to show you how to connect, how to print, and also how to get the scan results from your HP SmartTank 5103 to your Mac computer, any models. So let's get started right away. Okay, so first we need to connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your Mac. And to do so, I recommend the WPS method, which doesn't involve any password, and it's definitely one of the quickest. So let's go on the control panel over here to put the printer in WPS mode. Make sure that printer is turned on, and you're going to keep press the Wi-Fi button until the X button is lit up. So I'm keeping it pressed and I'm waiting. Then I lift my finger once I see the X button lit up. Now we have around 2 minutes to go on the Wi-Fi router and press the WPS button. So let's do it right now. So this is my Wi-Fi router, and all I have to do, this is the WPS button. Maybe yours will be located on the back. I simply have to press it. Okay, it will flash, and now it's trying to connect to the printer. So let's go on the printer now. Okay, so on the printer, once it has connected to your router using WPS, this Wi-Fi light will stop flashing. It will simply stay lit up in blue. So now the printer is successfully connected to your Wi-Fi router. Then on your Mac, we need to add the printer. The good news is that we don't need to download any drivers. So go on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, go down and select System Settings. Then in this menu, we need to go down and on the left side menu, select Printers and Scanners. On the right side, go all the way down and select Add Printer Scanners or Fax. You may have to enter the username and the password of this computer to access the next menu. Once you see this display, the HP SmartTank 5100 series should be in the list. You're going to select it in blue, make sure it's in blue, and then select and click on Add. Wait a few seconds and the printer will be automatically added to your Mac. So if we look over here, I know I have many printers, but it should be over here. Let me look. Yeah, it's right here. If you want to print a document, you don't need to download any apps. Same thing to scan. So let me show you how it's done. Let's say I want to print this picture over here. It could be a PDF document or even a web page. You're going to go, after opening the document you want to print, on the top left corner and select File. Then go all the way down and select Print. Make sure that under Printer, your HP SmartTank is the one that is selected. And then you're going to have more options down below. The most important ones are over here. So do you want to print in color or black and white? Select your paper size as well. I'll print on US letter size. But if you want to have a borderless result, so the border is not showing up, you can select US letter borderless. Now, if we go down, you can also see over here that we still have two white borders because the image, the picture, is not the same ratio as the paper, the US letter size. And if we go down under Media and Quality, you can select the paper type. On my case, it's plain paper, and quality. Select best if you're going to print pictures. If it's just text files, normal is enough quality. Press print once you're done, and usually in 12 seconds, the result will come out here. And here is the result. Now let me show you how to scan. So you're going to take the paper you want to scan, place it facing down, and now make sure that the top part of your document, okay, this is the top part, is towards the left side, and that we align the top left corner with the top left corner of the scanner. So what I mean by this is simply bring, okay, so both corners over here are touching. This is how you know that the paper is actually aligned. Close the lid, and now let's go on the Mac. Every time you want to scan, you don't need to download any apps on your Mac. Go back where we were previously, so the Apple logo, then System Settings, select printers and scanners. And over here in the list, you're going to find your printer. This is mine, HP SmartTank 5100 series. Click on it and then click on Open Scanner. On the left side, you're going to select your scanner again, your printer, and wait. You're going to get a preview of what's on the scanner of your printer. This preview is not saved on your Mac. You need to go on the right side over here and you're going to have more options. So do you want the scan to be in color or black and white? You can choose the resolution. So if it's a picture, I would suggest you choose the highest number. This will give you the highest, the more details, but at the same time, the file will be larger and it will also take a lot of time to scan, probably more than 1 or 2 minutes. If you're just scanning text, leave it at 200 dpi. Then you have the size of your paper you have input, the folder where you want the scan to go. I'll leave it to desktop, and you can also give this a custom name. If you're going to scan multiple pages and you want them combined in one single PDF document, select PDF, and don't forget to check combine into single documents. But over here, I just want a JPEG. So instead, I will select a JPEG, and once you're done, select scan. You'll get the result. In my case, since I have selected desktop, it will appear right over here. It will take 12 seconds if you have chosen 200 dpi. Here we go. This is our scan, and if I open it, everything looks great, and even if I zoom in, plenty of details. So this is about it. If this video was helpful, take a moment and leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. And by the way, if you need some ink or even some paper for this printer, I'll put links down below towards Amazon. Every time you purchase through these links, it will not cost you more, but I get a small commission. Thanks.